Are lip balms safe to be ingested? Are they gentle and safe enough for kids too? How can you make one? And how long can you keep it before it expires? Let's find out. Commercial lip balms often contain ingredients that are not meant to be eaten, yet we apply them to our lips daily. With a homemade, edible version, you can ensure that every ingredient is safe and natural, making it ideal for the entire family. We'll start with a simple, natural lip balm recipe that you can whip up in your kitchen. Our ingredient list is short and sweet, just like the lip balm we're about to create. First up, we have 2 tablespoons of beeswax pastils. They're our main ingredient and will give our lip balm the perfect firm texture. Next, we need 2 tablespoons of shea butter. This is a fantastic moisturizer and will keep your lips soft and hydrated. Moving on, we'll add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. It's a great natural lubricant, and it's going to give our lip balm a smooth application. Last but not least, a drop of natural vanilla or peppermint extract for a bit of fun and flavor. Remember, all these ingredients are natural, safe, and beneficial for your skin. Now let's dive into the creation process. In a double boiler or a glass bowl over a pot of simmering water, gently melt the beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter together. Once everything's melted into a lovely liquid, stir in your chosen flavor extract. Pour this golden liquid into little jars or lip balm tubes and let them cool. Make sure it is cool and set before you put the lid on. And there you have it, your very own homemade lip balm. Swipe it on whenever your lips whisper for some hydration. It's perfect for you and safe for the kiddos too. Plus, it's a little homemade secret you can carry around. As for how long it lasts, you'll be pleased to know that it can stay good for about 6 months. Keep it in a cool, dry place, and remember, fresh potions are always the best. If you liked this video, please let us know what other recipes you are interested in the comments below. Thank you for watching.